Namaste. Welcome to all. Today we'll learn how to find cube root of a quadratic side. Okay. If suppose the quadratic side is cube root of a plus under root of b, it will be equal to x plus under root of y. Cube on both sides. Here if you cube and cube root will get cancelled. You will get a plus under root of b. Here if you cube, see a plus b whole cube means a cube, x cube is there, plus 3a square b, 3ab square we did. A is there, root y whole square means root y is there. Next 3a square b, that is under root of y is there. Lastly b cube will be there, root y whole cube means y times root y. Root y you took common. So this you will get. Suppose if here we are having minus sign, then here also you will get minus sign c. Now simplifying this and finding solution, it's not so easy. So we'll go for a shortcut. If suppose if cube root of a plus root b is there, no, that if you are able to express as a plus c times root d. That means here what is the first condition is this c. Here see, if you express like this d cannot be split further. That means here b can be split further. If you are able to split, you have to split like this. Root b we can split like this, so that we should get d which cannot be split further. That is the first condition, important condition. Okay. Next see, same what will be the cube root of a plus under root of b means that will be c and do if you know enough. That will be square root of c minus d upon 3 plus root d. Okay. Simple. Here see, before using this short, we should ensure that this a is positive. Okay, that is another condition, second condition. And see, this shortcut will not work always. Suppose it may fail when a is odd and c is even. Better to check your answer. Okay. Next see, we'll do two problems so that you will understand the concept. First we will find cube root of 72 plus 16 times root 21. That is our first example. We want to find cube root of 72 plus 16 times root 20. Here see, first condition what you told, this should not be split further. Don't think that c and d are present and use this shortcut. What we told, this b cannot be split further. Root 20 you check. Root 20 I can write it as root 4 times 5 you can write. Square root of 4 times square root of 5, that is 2 times root 5 we can write. So it can be split further b. So it is not the d value. D you clearly you told you cannot split further. Cube root of 72 plus 16 root 20 we can write 2 times root 5. So that will be cube root of 72 plus 32 times root 5. Now this 5 cannot be split further. That is the d value. So c and d value we got. C is 32 and d is 5. Now you can use this shortcut and write the cube root. Straight away we can write, okay, square root of c minus d, that is 32 minus d is 5 upon 3 plus root d. D is how much? 5. This will be cube root. 32 minus 5, 27. 27 if you divide with 3 you will get 9. So square root of 9 plus root 5, that is nothing but 3 plus root 5. If you are having doubt, you can cube this so that you will get this. Okay, if you cube that, you will get that only. We will verify. We'll just verify because sometimes this shortcut will not work, no? Okay. The 3 plus root y whole cube is a cube, that means 3 cube, that will be 27. Next 3a square means 9b plus 3 a b square root 5 whole square means 5 plus b cube we have to write. That means 5 root 5 will come. So that is 3 cube, no? 27 plus 27 times root 5. That will be what? 9 times 5 means 45. This is 5 root 5. So 27 and 45 if you add, you will get 72, see. And 27, these are like sides, see. If you add, you will get 32 root 5. See here. If you cube this, you are getting means, if you find cube root of this, you will get 3 plus root 5. Correct only, no? Okay. And here, see, suppose if here minus is there, here you will get 3 minus root 5. Okay. Is it interesting? Next, see, one of the higher order question we will do. Okay. This simplify like that they will give. Okay, they asked us to simplify 2 plus root 5 and 6th root of minus 38 plus 17 times root 5. Here this 5 cannot be split further. First condition is satisfied. Now we have to check the second condition. What is the second condition? You told a should be positive. So here a is negative. So it can't do, you can't work out, this shortcut will not work out. So first see, it is 6th root actually. So what we have to do first? See, first we will make it as square root of, cubed root of minus 38 plus 17 times root 5. Now cubed root shortcut we can use. Okay. 2 times 3 is 6 only, no? I can write 6th root as like this. So now we have learned how to find 6th root also. Okay. See, next what we have to do, 2 plus, that a should be negative. Cube root of minus a we know, minus cube root of a we can write. So what I will do, that minus sign I will take outside. So that this will become cube root of 38 minus 17 times root 5. I took minus commons. Okay, next word. Now can I go for this? First condition is satisfied, that this d cannot be split further. Second condition is satisfied, that a is positive. Now I can go for this shortcut. What are c and d? We have to find. That's it. We can find the cube root. The c is 17. C value is, we can write somewhere. C value is 17 and d value is 5. So now we can use the shortcut and easily find the cube root. No, straight away we can find the cube root. Okay, how we can find the cube root? You see, this is the shortcut. C minus d, that is 17 minus 5 upon 3 plus, there minus is there. Here minus is there means here minus will come. Okay, see, here minus is there means here also minus will come, like that. Under root of d, that is 5. Okay, I used small brackets then big brackets. Next, see how we can simplify further. 17 minus 5, how much? 12. 12 if you divide with 3, 4. So it is nothing but 2 only. Minus 2 minus root 5. That minus sign you take inside. What will happen for that? That will become minus 2, minus into minus. So root 5 minus 2 it is. This a plus b instead of a plus b, see, this is where something is missing. Okay. Here, see, I did not wrote this square root, only cube root I found. So square root I missed. Square root. So we will finally get square root of 5 minus root 5 minus 2. That is. Here 2 plus root 5. 2 plus root 5, what I can do, no? Instead of a plus b, I will write b plus a. Now see, square root of a into square root of b. See, both are having same order. So what we can do? Root a into root b, like that we can write. So it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we can use algebraic identity. A square, that is root 5 whole square, 5. B square, 2 square, that is 4. So under root of 1, so nothing but 1. So you have to choose the answer for 1C. They are important. Competitive exams, they will ask such questions. So, okay, I hope you like this session. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.